Making money online with Amazon can be done in several ways. Here's a guide to help you get started. Sell products as an Amazon seller. You can become an Amazon seller and sell products directly on the platform. This can be done through two methods: retail arbitrage, purchase discounted products from local stores or wholesalers and resell them at a higher price on Amazon. Private labeling, create your own brand and sell products manufactured by a third party under your brand name. Sell handmade products on Amazon Handmade. If you are a craftsperson or artist, you can sell unique handmade products through Amazon Handmade. This platform allows you to reach a wider customer base. Publish ebooks with Kindle Direct Publishing. If you have writing skills, you can publish and sell ebooks on Amazon through the Kindle Direct Publishing KDP platform. You will earn royalties based on sales. Become an Amazon affiliate. Join the Amazon Associates program and earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. You earn a percentage of each sale made through your affiliate links. Create and sell merchandise with Merch by Amazon. If you have design skills, you can create and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other products through the Merch by Amazon program. Amazon handles the production, shipping, and customer service. Participate in Amazon Mechanical Turk. Complete simple, short tasks known as human intelligence tasks hits on Amazon Mechanical Turk and get paid for your time and effort. Become an Amazon Flex driver. Earn money by delivering packages as an independent contractor for Amazon Flex. You can choose your own schedule and deliver packages using your car. Offer services on Amazon Home Services. If you provide professional services such as cleaning, plumbing, or handyman services, you can list your services on Amazon Home Services and get hired by customers in your area. Remember, success in making money with Amazon requires dedication, research, and understanding of the platform's rules and policies. Start by exploring the options that align with your skills and interests, and then invest time and effort into building your online presence and customer base. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.